Hi, welcome to Twib. In this video, I will show you how to add and manage expenses. Go to the menu and click on Expenses. On this page, you can see the status of the expenses already added on Twib, and you can check whether they are still pending, approved, or rejected. To add a new expense, click on the green plus button. On this form, fill up the purpose, details, amount for the expense. You can also upload a photo of the bill or receipt required for the expense submission. After everything is done, click on Add. You can see the expenses added. The added expense can be edited or deleted at any point of time, but once approved, it cannot be altered. You can also search for any specific expense using the search button and filter the date according to your requirement. After searching, you will find the required expense on the page. This is how you can add and manage expenses on Twib.